Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we have my friend Jackson here. He's flipping grease. Today we will be committing suicide. YOLO! Oof. 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 We're hitting it hard. We're hitting it hard, I repeat. We're going down, we're going down. Oof. Run. Scrape. YOLO. YOLO, I tell you. YOLOs. 3, 2. I believe I can fly. Oh, no. He's like Superman. Phil Dan, Superman. Oh. Ooh, that did not look healthy. Oh! Right into the water. Remember, that's bones. No, can take over level 20. No way, I'm not accepting. My daughter pick my Nammy. My daughter pick my name. Oh. So she picked my daughter pick my name. That's fun. YOLO! Where's my son? Mr. Flipping. My son! Don't do this! Oh, I think I already teached him a lesson today. Oh, my son! My son! Oof! No, please. Please, son. Don't do this to your father. Oof. 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 Rip. Oh, my son. I don't think he made it. But I did. Come on, son. Please. Please, son. Please. Please. Hey, son. You can't jump. That's terrible. No. Firework, dart. Spring. Wow. Whoosh. That was insane. Oh. What? Was that all red blood? No, was the water bloody? I don't want to talk about it. Son? No, don't follow my rules. Son, please don't jump. I will. Because I love you. Oof. Oof. Oh no. Please, not now. We were not made for this. Neither was I. I was wrong about you. You are amazing. Just the way you are. Just don't need to do this with me. This is for your own good. Ow. Ow. Oof. Remember guys committing suicide? That was fun. I love that video. No one can take over the place stuff. I am down. Ouch. What? I'm playing with my friend. Oh, surfboarder. Oof. Okay. Alright, we're back and we got a new buddy. Say hi. Hi. No. This is the end. YOLO! Oh! Screw back! The sand. Oh! So cute. Hoopster, tell me when the vid is over. Gang. Oof. I believe I can. Ouch. Hoopster. That's my other. That's my son. My other son I have. I was gonna say brother, but that doesn't matter because my brother's right here. Keep it to yourself, man. No. Don't touch it. He's turning 1 on Tuesday, people. Say happy birthday in the comments. Please. Ah. Jesus. Need to know. Yeah. No. He's escaping. Where's his taxi? Here's his taxi. Hop in. They see me, Nathan. They see me, Nathan. Every day. What? I got my buddy. We're falling down. Mr. Hoopster. We're falling down. We got flipping grease. Falling down. We're gonna hit the grass. Ouch, that looked like it hurt. And it's so dark and sad. Jackson. Imposter. We have an imposter. Jackson the imposter. YOLO. You gotta jump from, oh no. You gotta jump from here. YOLO. Partridge in a pear tree. The last 5 minutes in the video, but not the rest. Oof. Ooh, that didn't look like it hurt. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Wait, is the video even? Okay. No, we're in an infinite move. Hey, hush. Hush on the baby. Up to me. I'm playing with my friend. Your phone. I found it in your coat pocket. Ooh, that looked like it hurt. How many? That was 40 bone broken. That's not fun. And a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, I was playing with my son. His name was Flipping Grease. No. Oof. Oof. Ooh. 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 I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the ground. I believe I can head slam. You interested in that show? Alright, I'll turn it up then. Here you go, Nathan. Leave a comment if you like kindly Keon. My brother likes it. Oh.
You're blinking. You're faking it. Oh my gosh. All of my family just dead.
A bid.
Okay, maybe what'll happen here is once they float to the surface, they actually turn into meat that I can eat. I know that's kind of messed up, but I feel like it's going to be one of the best ways to get some XP right now. Yeah, there you go. Okay, yeah. There you go. Very nice. Let's do that again. Another one. That was my brother. Weird looking goldfish. These fish are so hard to catch. That's the hardest part about this. Oh my gosh. I just noticed that there is a dinosaur head, skull, in the middle of our skull. That's terrifying. I love fishes because they're so delicious. You know, the goldfish. You saw fishes. Yeah, I know. It's pretty bad. Okay, we managed to grab onto one of these goldfish. Now you just need to accept your fate. Accept it. Accept it, please. Oh my goodness. Man, life in the swamp is brutal. I thought this would be easy. It's not easy at all. What is that above me? You see that shadow?
Yo.
That shadow scares me. That was a very scary shadow. I don't like it. Okay, we finally.
I'm watching him. Wait, buddy. Hi.
Way too long to do that, but that's life. Okay.
You gotta tell you, Andrew, I'm sick.
You're sick today?
Yeah, I think I have strep.
Do you want me to take care of Nathan for you then? Because I will if I have to. And the oofers in a pear tree. On the oof day of Christmas, I hit my hand to the...
That's good enough for me.
You know, I wrote the songs.
Damn it.
Did you see Dad this
Super
morning?
fast or whatever. Okay. So we've managed to make it almost to level 2, but not level 2. No.
And sister.
He's too sneaky. Okay. I'm not gonna waste my time because it's too hard. If we can take on
On the first day. Whoa, Jonathan! Chill. I'm coming down. Making a vid with 2 of my friends. Nope. Whoa, that was bright. And then it just...
Finally leveled up. Oh my gosh, level 2. This is brutal. There's gotta be a better way.
Okay, we can... That's fireworks.
Some of my friends, no, they're Ubers. You are not my friends. We are a Lyft riding family. Nope, you're not my friends. You are
Joining the phone.
family.
Well, can I just play
Found my family. Okay.
for
We're gonna
6 more minutes?
this thing. Yes. Attack. Together we are strong. Oh no, there's another one. Now oh my god. That was scary. That was very scary. Okay, please don't die. Please don't die. It was so hard to get to level 2. You don't understand. You must take down this creature. Okay, all my friends are dying. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out. Get out. Go. Run.
Whoa!
Life in the swamp is hard. Okay.
Ooh!
Hey. Alright, are there any other bigger fish that we can play as at this point? No. The next one is the arowana, and it is 20 coins. It's okay? Play as the raptor. For such a cool looking fish, you kind of stink. Alright? I hate to say it. You're not all that great. Yeah, so you can see his passive ability is that ambush one. So the faster we're going when we attack, definitely the more XP that we get. But like I said, that's really hard to, like... If I can get to the point where I can take on arowanas, then I feel like we're in a much better spot. Because we can just eat those things for days. There's loads of them. So as long as
Okay,
we can
let's
eat
switch
them,
hills.
we can XP on those, and then maybe, just maybe, we can take down a big old giant catfish one day, possibly. So let's just do our best here to try and get back to level 2. Yes, I need you guys to work with me here. So let's gang up on something. I don't know, like maybe we can gang up on the catfish and just attack it from behind, kind of like we do with the bigger fish on the ocean map. I worry that he can turn around.
Ooh, look, I'm taking a selfie.
Just swallowed my family into it. So yeah, he can definitely turn around really fast, which is very scary. So yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. That's not the best plan. Don't do that. Whoa, what's going on over here, guys? Ooh, we're attacking a Okay. Thanks for sharing, guys. Really nice of you. Really nice. Oh my gosh, this is like giant slabs of meat. Holy moly. Okay, if we can turn this into something a little bit more, consumable, this could be... No! No, we gotta get back there. We gotta respawn. Get back to the giant slabs of meat. Watch out for the snake head, though. Okay, where was that? faster. You gotta eat faster. Level 2. Alright? Okay, keep it going. Keep it going. Good. Delicious XP.
Run like the wind. No, I thought it was fall like the winds. Fall like the winds. Fall like the winds.
This is the most we've ever leveled, and it's all just because this meat was sitting around. Oh my gosh, don't get eaten. Let me go. Terrible monster. You don't understand. I'm level 4 now. This is the greatest day of my life. Go away. Thank you. These guys are scary.
I'm almost.
I understand my place in this world. Oh my gosh, look at all these dead fish. There are so many dead fish here. This is my they fall backwards into XP by the arowanas. Slabs of meat and eat as quickly as you possibly can. It might
Isn't that yummy?
but it probably won't.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Chance.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Tin cans. Oh man, that's just depressing. People throwing their
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
swamp that isn't so
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Now that I'm looking at it, yeah, there's tires, there's
Yummy.
Okay, so my strategy of waiting for my
Alright, so.
themselves and then turning to
Da 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 da.
not really,
Da da.
in case you haven't noticed,
Hey, stop grabbing the.
I'm just
Hey, bonding.
maybe some better places to level up, but
Thanks.
far, not even close.
This is what you gave. Thanks, buddy. I am the one. Ow, yow, yow, yow.
He's got so much power. He doesn't look all that scary. Well, those promise killed that one. I don't know what's going on. All out of whack. Nothing makes sense. This guy is a scary looking monster. He looks like a dinosaur. He can't do
Yeah.
anything. It's easy.
It's like, no.
Biting him on the
It's like YOLO, and then he just gets stuck there.
back here. You can't attack me. I'm too sneaky. I am too sneaky for you. I am sneaky.
Cooler.
By the way, if this actually works,
No. Do 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 do.
the Uber! There's an Uber attacking me! No! Leave me alone! I just want to attack this very big fish by myself. Why can't you guys respect my life?
Thank you, buddy. Thanks for being nice by going in my face.
Small fish go up against very large fish and swim into the nets. All right. Well, since we have some money, let's go into the fish select here. We can play as. Just play as Cledge. Just play as Catfish. No, we can't play as Catfish. We don't have enough.
Alright.
Let's play as Cledge.
Leave a like down below if you want to see more content like this with my friends. You know, ciao, leave a comment, hit that notifications bell for every video I make, and play!